How to activate US Bank credit card online. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how can you activate your US Bank credit card online. So let's get started. First, there are two ways to activate US credit card online. Simply, you can use your mobile banking app or your browser. After you open your mobile banking app, from there, select Manage Card, choose your card, and then you can select Activate and Create PIN. For the browser, you'll have to just use your online banking. Simply for that, you'll have to just type in the source field for usbank.com. After you search for that, tap on the login option at the top right. And from here, you'll have to provide your username or password. After you provide correct username or password, tap on login, or you can also tap on the option forgot username or password if you haven't forgotten. After you log in with your account on online banking, you'll have to just tap on the option account that will appear at the top right or top left. After that, tap on the option manage card and choose your card. After that, select the option for activate card and create PIN. And from there, you'll have to just enter your bank credit card details like your credit card number, expiration date, and the CVV code. After that, you'll be able to activate US Bank credit card. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.